Hello students, I am your educator Ritu. In this video, we will learn about diffusion. This topic is very important for biology students. So please pay attention towards it. Passive transport. As we had learned about this in the previous video, you can check out the previous video. I will give you the link in my description box. Diffusion, facilitated diffusion and osmosis are the part of passive transport. In this video, we will only learn about diffusion, and facilitated diffusion and osmosis will be discussed in the next upcoming videos. Now, start with diffusion. Diffusion is passive in nature. Passive means it does not require energy. That means no ATP is used. So in diffusion, movement of particles will always be from high concentration to low concentration. As you can see in this diagram also, here concentration of particle is high and here concentration of particle is low, and this arrow shows the movement from high concentration to low concentration. So diffusion is a passive process in which movement of particles will always be from high concentration to low concentration. In this second diagram, you can see that there is movement of two particles. One is this and another one is this. And this arrow shows the net diffusion. That means where the diffusion take place, either this direction or this direction. So you can see that the concentration of these particles are high in this side and concentration of these particles are high in this side. So the net movement will be take place until the equilibrium will be achieved. Equilibrium means both sides contain concentration of both type of particle will be the same. That these type of particle will be present on both sides and these type of particle will be present on both sides. So there will be equal amount or equal concentration will be present on both sides of the cell. Shown in case of gases and liquids. There is no diffusion in case of solids. Diffusion is very important for plants because it is the only way of gaseous movement in plant body. That's why diffusion is very important. This is all about in this video. For more video, stay tuned with my channel. Thank you so much.